Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Vidmate on your PC or laptop. If you're using PC or laptop, so how can you install Vidmate in it? Now as you can see, like, this is basically the official website, vidmateapp.com. Like, there's no direct way, no PC application that you can directly install it inside your PC. Now there's you can say like indirect method, which is basically you need to install the emulator, and through emulator you can just use the Vidmate app. Now there are few emulators that you can try to download inside your laptop or PC, and after that it will be basically a similar application just like mobile phone. You're using the Android phone, you can use the BlueStack, or there's another emulator called LD Player which you can use. Just search it on Google. As you can see, like, this is basically a BlueStack, so just simply download BlueStack and this will be basically install the installer. So make sure to install the BlueStack or the LD Player. This is basically the LD Player, which you can download it, and once you download it, just open it and an Android phone will be opened in front of you. Now from there you can just simply download it and install it. As you can see, like, this is the LD Player which you can download and install it. Now if I go to the Vidmate website, now as you can see, like, they have given the official method: download and install BlueStack's Android emulator on your PC, install Vidmate APK file for your PC. You can see my app center, help center. You can just like, this is basically all the instructions. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can just simply install the emulators and install the Vidmate inside your PC or laptop.